Me and Braden are doing a can of popcorn. We're seeing if it'll turn into popcorn, and we're going to put it in the microwave, however, from 1 minute and 50 seconds. We're going to see how long, see how it will do it. It'll pop, and then we're just going to put it in here.
Okay.
I'm going to put the bowl in the microwave, and we'll just let it pop.
We're gonna let it
We're
sit
gonna let
there
it
for
right there.
150 seconds.
Good. Was that quick?
Look at that, Braden. Yep. Oh, that's too much. Put it in there more. I need a picture of the bowl.
Okay, we're gonna open it up.
Check out the... Oh,
It didn't do anything.
hey, we're back. We're just gonna put some. We're gonna see how the results are.
This is regular popcorn. We're gonna put a scoop in there and a ball.
And all that stuff.
We're gonna have to get a clock.
There's that salt. Can you get the microwave ready?
Yep. I'm gonna set it in there for 150 seconds again.
150.
60 plus 50. That's 90.
1 minute 60 seconds plus 50 equals.
There's 8 seconds.
Ready to go? Just stop. Stop. Where's that cloth at?
The corn actually popped.
No, it didn't.
Only some of it popped.
Only some of it popped in there.
The rest is in the microwave.
Yeah, most of it's in the microwave. Let's just take the whole tray out.